Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering error opening file for writing on Windows, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to run the file as administrator. So if you're facing an issue with a setup file and you're getting this error, then right click on the setup file and then click on run as administrator, yes, and it should start working. Now if it doesn't work and you're still getting the same error, then you can run it in the compatibility mode. For that we need to right click on it, click on show more options, and then we need to click on properties. Here we'll click on the compatibility bar, and then we will check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 8. If you have Windows 8, 10, 11, if you are running an older Windows, then you need to select that version of Windows and click on apply and click on OK. Now, one more thing we can do is do a disk cleanup. So we will go here, disk cleanup in the search bar, and then we'll check all these boxes and click on OK, click on delete files, and then we should restart Windows and this error should no longer happen. You should be able to run the installation file. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.